Hi, in this problem, I'm going to solve a Math Olympiad question. The question says we have three variables, a, b, c, which are positive numbers. A times b times c is 10 to the power 11, and this term that you see here is equal to 40. And the question asks for the value of log 10 of a squared plus log 10 of b squared plus log 10 of c squared. In order to solve this problem, I want to use two hints. We know that log a plus log b is equal to log of a times b. This is one thing that we will use. And another thing that we will use is that x plus y times z squared is equals to x squared y squared z squared plus 2xy plus 2xz plus 2y times z. These are two key expressions that will help us to solve this problem. I first start with the first term that we have here. When we have a times b times c equals 10 to the power 11, I can take log of both hand sides of this equation, which gives me log of a times b times c equals to log 10 to the power 11. And if we have 10 in the base, we know that this term is equal to 11. Because we have it in the power, it comes here, and log 10 of 10 is equal to 1. So on the right hand side, we have equals to 11. In the left hand side, we have log of a times b times c, which we can use this term to change this. Log of a plus log of b plus all of them are in base 10 c is equal to log a times b plus log c, and this is equal to log a times b times c equals to 10. So this is left hand side of this expression, and this is the right hand side. So this is one information that we have about this problem. If you take a look at this expression, we can simplify this a little bit more. So what we will do here is, okay, before I continue, I'm just going to skip log 10 for the rest of this video to simplify the notation. So log a times, because we have log b times c here, we can write it like this one, log b plus log c. We will do the same for the remaining expressions, and this will become log a plus log c, and this will be log c times log a plus log b. And we can start multiplying these terms, and at the end we will have 2 times log a times log b plus 2 times log a times log c and 2 times log b times log c. So this is the second term that we have, which is equal to 40. So let's scroll down a little bit. We have the final term that you see here, and in order to obtain the value of this, we will use this technique. As you can see here, we have an expression here. If we assume that this is equal to x, this is equal to y, and this is equal to z. If we assume this, we see that x squared is here, y squared is here, and z squared is here. And we also see that we have x, y here, we have x, z here, and we have y, z here. So this is kind of the new playground for us. If we take a look at this, we know that this is now our x squared, this is our y squared, and this is our z squared. And we know the value of x plus y plus z, so x plus y plus z squared, which is equal to, from this we know it is 11, so 11 squared is equal to this term that we have here, I call it alpha, is equal to alpha plus the remaining terms that we have here. And for the remaining terms, we have the remaining terms appearing here, plus 40. And this becomes 11 squared equals to alpha plus 40, and we have this. At the end, we get alpha is equal to 81. And yeah, final answer is 81. If you like this video, please press the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.